Hi and welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this tutorial we will learn about stacks and queues in C++. Unlike C, there are predefined functions for stacks and queues in C++. First, let's learn about stack in C++. Stack are a type of container which adapts LIFO or last in first out type of working, where an element is added at one end, that is the top, and removed from that end only. We can declare a stack like this, and we have to specify the data type like this. Here S is the stack variable. To print a value, to push a value into a stack, we use the push function. Here we are first pushing 10, then 20, 30, 40 and 50. To print the size of stack, we use size function. Let's run this code. We can see that the size of the stack is 5. To print the top of the stack, we use the top function. Let's run this code. We can see that the output is 50. To pop an element from the stack, we use pop function. The top is removed from the stack when we use the pop function. To print an entire stack, we do something like this. First, we store the stack in a temporary stack variable. Then, we keep popping and printing the top of the temporary stack until the temporary stack becomes empty. Like this. Let's run this code. We can see that the complete stack is printed. Now let's learn about queues. Queues are a type of container which operates in first in first out or FIFO. Now let's see the code for that. Similar to stacks, this is how we create a queue. To insert element in a queue, we use the push function like this. I am pushing 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in this queue. To print the size of the queue, we use the size function. To print the front and back of the queue, we use the respective function for both. We know that stacks are a type of arrangement in which elements are inserted at the back and deleted from the front. Let's run this code. We can see that the size of the queue is 5 and front and back of this queue is printed. To remove element from the queue, we use the .pop function. Similar to stacks, to print the entire queue, we keep popping and printing the front until the queue becomes empty. Let's run this code. We can see that the entire queue is printed. So this brings us to the end of this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments in the comments section.